Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Techavro. Hope you guys having a nice day. In this video I'm going to show you how can you take a screenshot on iPhone. So in this video I'm going to show you 3 ways that how you can take a screenshot on iPhone. The first one and the easiest one to take a screenshot on iPhone is that you need to just click on the volume up and the side button at the same time, just like this. By this you can just take a screenshot on iPhone. Now the second way to take a screenshot on iPhone is that you need to ask Siri to take a screenshot on iPhone. If you have turned on Siri on your iPhone, you need to just say, "Hey Siri, take a screenshot." So now for the third way, you can just go to your settings app and scroll down. You will see this option accessibility. Just click on it, and here you can see touch. Just click on touch, and the last option by scrolling you can see back tap. Just click on it. Now here you can see double tap and triple tap. You can double tap or triple tap on the back of your iPhone to take a screenshot. I have selected double tap. If I just double tap on the back of my iPhone, it will take a screenshot like this. So guys, that's how you can take a screenshot on iPhone. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find it helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe Techavro. Thank you very much for watching the video.